Hello everyone, this is a video that I wanted to record for some time now. So what I'm going to do is trying to show you how we can use the Rhino plugin as a GBXML editor to fix this GBXML file that I exported from Revit. Of course, I'm biased. I think you should use the Pollination Revit plugin that gives you a clean analytical model out of the box. But if you don't want to use that, or someone sends you a GBXML, or the GBXML comes from other software and it has issues like this one, this video shows you how to fix it. So the way I have done this, exported this, is I went to File, Export, GBXML, Rooms and Spaces, OK, and I tried to play with this to get as clean as possible, but that's as far as I could go. Like, I couldn't get it any cleaner. But even if it's cleaner, like I have never had a geometry out of Revit native GBXML exporter that was clean enough to use it right away. So this is an example. Let's fix it, and I use this as a chance to show you all the Rhino capabilities, our Rhino plugin capabilities. One thing is, I assume, like, if you want to start using the plugin, we have a lot of other tutorials. So I'm not going to talk about every single command and all the details and what is Rhino and what's the UI. You can find that in other tutorials, but I'm going to spend a good amount of time talking about every command that I use and why I use it and how I use it and what's the logic, how I do approach to clean this. So okay, so let me take a break and then I'll be back and we can continue with fixing.